In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to be a Canva creator. Open your browser and head to canva.com/creators. This is the official hub for the Canva Creators Program, where you can share your work with millions of users. On that page, click Become a Creator, then select Apply to start the guided application. You'll first be asked what type of creator you are, designer, teacher, or business. Choose the option that best reflects how you plan to contribute. This helps Canva tailor the experience and recommendations you'll see. After you've selected your category, click Continue. Next, pick your specialty. Think about what you create most consistently and what you want to be known for. Clear choices here help you attract the right audience and opportunities. Then you'll see a screen to select your preferences. These fine-tune the kinds of briefs, content types, or topics you'll focus on. Make your selections and click Continue. You'll now indicate your level of experience with Canva. Be honest, this isn't a test. It just ensures the program surfaces the right tips and challenges for you. Click Continue to move on. On the following page, choose your creative interests, such as design trends or typography. This shapes your creative feed and can influence the types of projects you're shown. Select what genuinely excites you and hit Continue. Now set your goals for becoming a creator. Whether you want to earn from your designs, grow your audience, or share knowledge, pick the options that reflect your intentions. You can select multiple answers. When you're happy with your choices, click Continue. Next comes your details. Enter your name and a URL that showcases your work. This could be a public portfolio or a social profile where your original designs are easy to view. Make sure links are accessible without logins and show your best, most relevant projects. Answer the remaining questions thoughtfully and thoroughly and fill out all required fields. Clear, consistent information helps reviewers understand your style and strengths. Before you submit, scroll down and review the terms and agreement. Take a moment to read the key points about content rights, originality, and how your work may be used. Check the box to confirm you agree. When everything looks good, click Submit. That's it. Your application is in. Keep your portfolio updated and aligned with the specialties and interests you selected. A focused, well-presented application makes it easier for Canva to see how you'll add value to the community.